Not their brokers. You guys, you have to stop asking us for getting you girlfriends.
Which one would you prefer, male best friend or female best friend?
Female best friend.
Female best friend.
Why? Like, why not male best friend?
Male best friend, once they get a girlfriend, they go with their girlfriends. So female best friend, they're for life.
Then you can only set a girlfriend for your best friend. Now then he will be three of us all.
We are
good.
not their brokers. You guys, you have to stop asking us for getting you girlfriends.
Female best friend.
Why not male best friend?
I feel more comfortable with a female best friend, aka my friend here, than a male best friend. And I have a boyfriend, and I don't think it's I mean, you could have male friends, sure, but personally, I don't feel comfortable having male best friends when I already have a boyfriend.
Female best friend.
Female best friend. Why? Like male best friends are not good or what?
No, they're good. I wouldn't prefer a male best friend because sometimes I would just try to hit on girls instead.
Otherwise you can set him a girl, no? Then
No.
he will be like good best friend to you.
No, it's like usually people who have male best friends just keep them as backup choices.
So you do prefer female best friend?
Yeah.
Will you be okay if your husband give all his money to his mom after marriage?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, I would be fine with it because it's like he's taking care of someone in his own family. And plus, I can earn enough to do that.
Nice.
No.
No.
What should we do for a living?
I mean, we will also have a living, but it's not fair. Like, we are their wife.
Some part of money should
Yeah,
be. Okay.
at least 50%.
At least 50%.
Yeah.
50% for mom, 50% for you guys. Yeah.
I wouldn't advise him to do so because giving all the money to his mom, sure, if his mom is already helping him, with finance, then okay, that makes sense. But giving all your money to your mom,
Salary. Let's take it as salary,
All
yeah.
salary. So you also have your own family to take care of, right? So I don't think it's fair to give all your money to your mom.
50%.
Yeah, if somewhere along the edges.
Okay. After your marriage, would you like to be with your in-laws or with partner only?
Comfort-wise, partner only. But then if it's a situation where I can't avoid it, sure, I'd adjust.
With in-laws.
Yeah.
Okay.
Preferably with partner though.
Preferably with partner.
Yeah.
Partner only.
Partner.
Partner only.
Yeah.
Not with in-laws.
Yeah, because
No, not with in-laws.
no.
Why?
I would be marrying him, not his family. Like, I would be marrying his family in a way, but I'm trying to spend my life with him.
But he wants to live with you and his parents. So
I would tell him you can stay with your parents if you want, but like, I wouldn't want to only stay with his parents.
okay.
Partner only.
Partner only.
Yeah.
Why partner? Why not with in-laws and with your partner?
Because
To avoid.
clashes between
In-
my laws.
Nothing like that. Some in-laws are good.
Yeah,
They'll treat you as a daughter.
if they're good, I'm fine with it.
What's the minimum amount you expect your future partner should earn?
2 lakhs? 2 lakhs per month.
2 lakhs per month.
Any amount is fine. I can earn.
Okay.
To have, even if it's a live-in relationship, I think you should at least have 40 to 50.
Okay.
Yeah, 40 to 50k.
Per month. You should earn.
Yeah, per month.
There's no minimum amount. I'm fine with him not earning also. I can earn everything.
Why don't we get these kind of girls? Very rare. Okay. How much would you spend on your wedding?
I don't know. My wedding isn't really that important. My honeymoon is more important to me.
Not a lot.
Not a lot. I want
travel
Yeah,
is-
same.
For honeymoon.
Yeah.
I plan on having a really small and intimate wedding. So
Yeah.
not really a lot of people I would call. I don't know how much weddings cost.
Which profession would you like your ideal partner should have? Should do.
I don't care. I
Any
just want a loyal man.
Loyal man.
Yes.
For you?
I don't want doctors except them.
Doctors.
Yeah.
Like many will tell that they don't want to doctor. They don't want to.
Their own life. They won't spend time with us.
Anything he's passionate about, to be honest, because I can't choose his profession for him, can I? So it's his decision. But I just hope he does something he's passionate about because, he's going to be doing it in the long run. And it would be preferable if he's...
Doesn't matter whether he may be in any profession.
Yeah, any profession will work. As long as he helps in keeping the house running. And he also, earns enough for himself and he's passionate about it, then I think anything is good to go.
which profession he should have?
My answer would be the same. I mean, to
Any
me,
profession.
it wouldn't matter. Let it be any profession because I could earn for both of us.